everyone. I'd like to show you a really quick and easy way you can change up your lettering style and by just simply changing your ascender loops. So here is my Learn Brush Lettering Workbook for large brush tip pens, and this is the ascender loop basic stroke right here. The tracing paper is already inside, so you can trace on top and not ruin your worksheet. And I'm going to take from my deluxe lettering kit the medium brush tip pen. Okay, so I will show you what the loop looks like. We just start right here at the waistline, we go up and we make a loop. We push all the way down. So this is for your letter B and D and H, L, and K. I think that's it. So for example, if I was going to draw, do a B, I would do this, draw my ascender loop. Oopsies, it's a little bit smaller. And draw my reverse oval. If I was going to do an H, I would draw my ascender loop and then my compound curve. Just like this. The L is similar, and there's an exit with an underturn. All right, so what I'm going to do is take out the loops. That's it, basically it. So let's move over to the practice paper. And right here, I have my grid practice pad, the Write On grid practice pad. Remember, you have to use really smooth paper with your brush pens. And let me just write a word. Oopsies. Let me just write some of these letters first with the ascender loop. So I will use an X height of, let's say, 3 squares high. And I will write the B. So there is my, oh, I'm not meeting up there. And the D. And I'm used to writing with the bigger pen, so I'm not adjusting my loop here. B, D, let's see, it's H. And K. And I know some people struggle with these loops. For consistency, it depends what style you're writing, but in general you want your loops to be about the same size. Well, that didn't work out very well, but, and then we have L. I hope I'm not missing one. I always do this without really thinking. I usually forget something. Anyway, even if I'm missing one, whatever. So these are ascender loops. Now we're going to actually just take out the loop and get rid of it and just do a downstroke. So let's look at the B. Oh, I did it too small. And there's your downstroke. Let's write the D. Oh, and just a thick downstroke. The H, thick downstroke. The K. So this is, you know what, it's not only a little bit easier to write these letters without the loop, it's also kind of creates a different style, which is really which is cool. So let's write the word hello. So I'm going to write the word hello, and I'll use the traditional style with the loop first, with the classic style, and you can see I'm have everything at the same X height. I'm trying to keep my loops the same size. Double letters are always hard, but you just hope for the best. Okay, there's this hello, and then we can change it up and write a hello without the loops, and that is just using those thick downstrokes. So I'll do that. You can see I'm actually making the letters a little bit tighter together as well. And there you go, you have a totally different style. So no matter what size of brush pen you're using, you can create this kind of, I don't know, I'd say it's more casual, a little bit edgier without the classic loop, and change things up just to give yourself a different look to your lettering. Thanks for watching.